Hello everybody and welcome to the channel. My name is Rob and today's video I'm going to be talking about air fryers and french fries. And I just want to apologize if my title is misleading or doesn't exactly 100% represent what the video is about. Due to the fact I'm not really sure what to title this video as it was kind of a planned video on my update on my 7-in-1 master built air fryer. But however, I think the discussion is going to be more about air fryers in general and french fries. So with that being said, I'm going to get on with the video. So as you all know, on one of my videos, I got a master built 7-in-1 air fryer to do french fries at camp and all that stuff, other stuff. I've been mainly using it for french fries. I haven't really tried it for anything else other than a couple times chicken tenders and tater tots. However, I saw this video on YouTube after I purchased it, and the review wasn't the greatest on it. And the guy said he wasn't sure if he would recommend it because it didn't seem to be doing a good job. So that's kind of why I'm doing this video, is because I'm not sure if it's the air fryer in general or just other things. So I've had a couple other air fryers. I forget what brands. There's a couple different ones I got at Walmart. We got one, I think it might have been the Walmart brand, for Christmas as a present one time. And it was pretty good. It worked pretty good. And then I upgraded to one of the better brands next about a year later or so, when I saw one I liked and sounded good. Not because there was anything wrong with the one we had, but for our family, just wanted something a little bit bigger to save time on doing fries, so we can do a little bit more than what the other one was capable of. And both air fryers I had great luck with. Never had an issue with the french fries or anything that we cooked. And I've never had a problem with fries in general. But it seems like recently, within the last 6 plus months, been having a lot of problems with fries. And it seems like that's the case no matter how we cook them, whether we cook them in the oven, whether we cook them in the small household air fryer, whether we cook them, in the big air fryer. Even when we cook them in oil, it doesn't seem like they come out as good as they used to. I mean, obviously when we fry them in oil, they do come out better, but they just don't seem like they taste that great still. So I'm starting to think it's something to do with the french fries in general. I don't know if they're leaving too much moisture in them. I don't know what the process for them making french fries. And I don't particularly go for one brand of french fries. Normally for our family, especially if we got people coming over, I normally get the go for the big bag, whether it be the Big Y brand, the Walmart brand. Occasionally, depending on sales, I will go for like the Oritas or the McCain's or one of the other ones, depending on the sale. But for most part, I get whatever's the best deal. And up until recently, like I said, I've never had a problem doing the fries in the oven, either one of the air fryers. And just now it seems like they're taking forever to cook. And they're still not getting crispy. They're still not tasting good. Sometimes it can be in there in a while and they taste as if they're reheated. Even with some of the better brands that are already crispy. But I can't, those higher brands have come out better. But not much. And the thing is, I've gotten tater tots and done tater tots for breakfast, and they've come out pretty good. The other day I got I was in the mood for curly fries. My girlfriend and one of the other kids doesn't like curly fries as much because they're seasoned and they're a little too much on the spicy side. So I got a bag of the crinkle cut, and they were both Big Y brand, and the curly fries seemed to come out good. They came out crispy. Did take a little while for them to cook. The crinkle fries, not so much. So the reason I'm doing this video is I want my reviews on products and the products I review and test to be honest. Because that's what I want my honest review to be out, because I feel like there may not always be a lot of honest reviews. I feel some people, are brand happy, so, they'll just, I'm not saying this is the case, but, may just put up a bad review and recommend a product that they just like because they like the brand. I mean, I've had products I've reviewed and people said they're junk, and I haven't had any problems with it, because I feel it's all, yeah, there's bound to be a few bad apples in the bunch when it comes to any product, but I don't feel you should steer away from some of these products. But anyways, so I don't want people to not get this product because it sucks and it doesn't do like fries or anything well or something like that, because it did do the chicken nuggets pretty good. It did do the tater tots pretty good. I'm sure for other stuff it might do a good job. And like I said, due to the fact that no matter how I cook them, the fries haven't been coming out good lately, I don't want the product to get, in the air fryer to get a bad rep based on, how it does with fries. because like I said, I'm really starting to think there's something up with the fries. Because like I said, no matter whether I cook them in the oven, cook them in one of the air fryers, and depending on which one I go with, they don't always come out good if I do fry them in oil. With that being said, I just want you to keep that in mind when you're researching stuff. And if you're thinking about getting an air fryer for fries, you know, who knows? Maybe you'll get the good one, and you know, the fries will start cooking good again. I don't know what's going on lately. It's got me totally baffled. I don't know what to think. I don't want to blame the product. You know, if it's something to do with the fries, I don't want to blame, you know, say bad things about the fries. Like I said, I don't know what's going on lately. I just feel like it's more along the lines of something going on with the fries than the air fryers itself. Because if it was air fryers and all that stuff, why would, you know, like say my Masterbuilt air fryer, 7-in-1 air fryer, if it was that problem, why would I be having the So as I was saying before I had to take that call, I don't even know where I left off, so I might be repeating myself, and I apologize. But like I said, I don't want to blame the air fryer and say anything bad about my Masterbuilt 7-in-1 air fryer. As far as the fries go, because if it was some, a bad product as far as the Masterbuilt 7-in-1 air fryer, well, why would I be having the same problem no matter what air fryer I use, or even the oven? Because I've never ever had a problem in my life cooking french fries in an air fryer, in an oven, or even frying them in oil. So I don't want to give my product, the black Masterbuilt air fryer, a bad review based on my luck with fries. If it's something up with the fries, then that should be the fries' fault, not the Masterbuilt air fryer. And like I said, I have had like store brands, the curly fries. I do notice if they're a little bit already crispier in the bag type fries, they do come out better. Do they come out tasting that much better? That's 50-50 depending on the brand. But it does seem like they take a while to get crispy and all that stuff. So I hope that explains this video. I hope you liked this video. I'd like to hear your thoughts and opinions. If any of you have used air fryers in general, and have noticed any of these issues with french fries, I would like I said, I would like to know your thoughts and opinions. Am I the only one that seems like they're having problems with cooking fries lately. Like I said, up until the last 6 months to a year, I've never had a problem. And I usually do fries with just about everything. I'll have them at least, a couple times a week. If I, doing burgers, I'll have fries with that. There's a couple other meals I'll have fries with. And the fact that the tater tots came out pretty good in the air fryer. And the chicken nuggets and tenders that I've done in the air fryer has come out pretty good. I really don't want to blame the air fryer for the fries fault. So with that being said, I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.